Welcome to RentPost, your property management software in the cloud. Over the next couple minutes, I'm going to go over the main areas of our software that you need to know to get started. So let's dive in. Here are your main categories in your company. My Post, which shows you your key metrics and activity going on throughout your whole company. From tenants to colleagues, it's all here. Your Units and Tenants page will give you a more drilled down look into your company. On the left, you'll see your units, and inside of each of these units are the tenants. Just click the unit to open up the tenant view. Everything's there and actionable. If you want to apply a check a tenant brought in, just select the tenant and select Record Payment. Once it is applied, the tenant will be notified via email. Or better yet, if you set up the tenant with an online account through us, they'll be able to pay electronically with their bank account. And I think this is something very special. Just imagine the time you'll be able to save with all your tenants paying electronically. You'll know instantly who has paid and who hasn't. And tenants that don't pay will be reminded via email and will have late fees applied to their account based on your late fee structure. Our late fee system is something very special as well. We developed it to be one of the most flexible systems available to make sure we can accommodate your needs. Our work orders page allows tenants to directly communicate with you throughout our system. No more confusing phone calls. The tenant can submit their work orders with pictures to specifically address the issues that needs to be taken care of. These work orders will also show up on your newsfeed. And lastly, our reports page. This is something I'm very proud of. You're probably very familiar with the reports, rent roll, tenant delinquencies, and upcoming renewals. So let's just jump over to the transaction log. We had to develop a system that would handle both electronic payments and manual payments. Manual payment, for example, is a check that a tenant brought in. Let's select one of these payments. You see you're presented with more details about the payment and options to alter this payment. For example, if a check was returned, we can mark it as bad and add a fee. If doing this makes the monthly rent late, late fees are applied retroactively. Or if you need to adjust or remove a payment, we have the options there. This page is very powerful, and we hope you enjoy it. We sincerely hope you enjoy using our software. We have spent a lot of time working with managers to build a system that is very special, and I believe this time has paid off. If you have any questions, just email us, help@rentpost.com. Thanks.